Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Canva to design social media kits in 2026 step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to canva.com. Log into your Canva account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. On the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Type social media kit into the search bar and press enter. You will see a variety of social media kit templates. Browse through the templates and select one that fits your brand's aesthetic. Once you select a template, it will open in the Canva editor. Familiarize yourself with the editing tools on the left sidebar. You can change the text by clicking on any text box in the template. To edit images, double-click on the image to upload your own or choose from Canva's free images. Make sure to use high-quality images to enhance the overall look of your kit. Adjust colors to match your brand by selecting elements and using the color picker tool. Utilize the brand kit feature if you have it, to apply your brand's colors and fonts quickly. To add additional pages, click on the Add a Page button below your existing page. You can copy existing elements from one page to another by right-clicking and selecting Copy then Paste. If your kit includes profile and cover images for different platforms, be sure to check the recommended dimensions. You can also design specific graphics for stories, posts, and ads within this kit. Once you finish designing, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Choose to download your design in the appropriate format, such as PNG or PDF. If you plan to share your kit directly with clients or team members, consider using the Share link option for easy access. Review your design one last time before finalizing. Congratulations, you've successfully configured Canva to design a social media kit in 2026. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.